General Ababu Namwamba, aka Ababu Smart, aka Msiani Muhone.
When I hear the name Ababu Namwamba,
yes,
I remember Men in Black.
Yes.
And I remember Mapambano.
Yes. So Ababu Namwamba was seen wearing ODM colors. Ni kama ako kwa grassroots anaongea na ODM officials in ODM colors. Remember, Ababu has his party, Labour Party. Hatujui kama baada kunayo ama iko back to the sender.
Hesabu ilisafanywa vizuri.
Yes.
Na the current tactician.
Yes.
William Samoei Ruto.
Yes.
Si ameweka Aida. Yes. Akatoa Ababu.
Yes.
Na akaambia Ababu ndugu,
yes.
Unajua sisi ndio wanzalishi.
Yes.
Wa chama cha ODM.
ODM yes mwanzilishi lakini alikuwa secretary general.
Ndio nasema
yes.
Si Ruto anamwambia sisi.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
Wanzalishi wa ODM.
Yes.
Sawa, si ulikuwa secretary general pale.
Yes.
Nataka urudi kufanya kazi yako.
Welcome to One Bold Brain. My name is Omar Brian and I'm with
Boss Jasola.
Remember to subscribe, like and share. This is the heartbeat of political analysis.
And keep the heart beating.
So viewers, Ababu Namwamba
yes.
was seen in Budalangi constituency.
Yes. Wearing
ODM colors, which he had not zenye alikataa kuvaa kutoka 2000 and was it 2016?
Around yes, I think around 16.
Yes.
Yes.
9 years ago.
Yes.
So Ababu is back.
Ababu is back. There is indications. Unajua pale tulikuwa tunataka kupewa Mama County.
Where? SG.
Lakini tuna realize.
Yes.
Wacha tulete super sub.
Ababu Namwamba.
Super sub.
The ambassador to Uganda.
Super sub.
Kijana mwenye leta Talanta hela ikaleta Talanta Stadium.
Wacha nikwambie. If you remove Sifuna,
yes.
You need a very sensitive.
Tulikuwa tumepatia Junet lakini Ababu is now causing chaos in my head because viewers, Ababu is the perfect guy for these people.
Ababu will fit it well.
Swali ni moja.
Yes.
Ababu officially quit ODM akitoka.
Yes.
Almost 10 years ago.
And this is going to be the biggest comeback ever.
What do you mean? How can you give an SG to a person who is not even a member because he quit ODM?
No. ODM Linda Ground is being run by William Samoei Ruto.
But
anapanga nyumba yake.
But Ababu Smart is not a member of ODM. He's a member, party leader of Labour Party.
How long does it take somebody to join? It's just a matter of dialing buttons. And you are registered.
Maybe hata quit officially alikuwa bado member.
Yes, maybe alikuwa bado member.
But now you know Ababu Namwamba coming in.
Yes.
Into ODM.
Yes.
You know, in 2022,
yes.
We thought Ababu Namwamba will come back to ODM.
Yes.
And run for the Senate of Busia County.
That's true.
But as usual, and as smart as he is,
yes.
and as whatever he is,
yes.
Kakua mkora, akasema ataki senator. Hesabu yake haikuingiana.
Haingeweza ingiana.
Akasema ataendea hiyo senator because there were rumors yes. From his people
yes.
In Bunyala yes. That alikuwa anaendea senator 2022.
Yes.
Akaacha hiyo story. And he decided to support some candidates for member of parliament in Budalangi.
That's true.
Yeah. So member mwenye support pia akaangushwa na the current MP of Budalangi, Mwalimu Raphael Mbitawanjala.
Yes, sasa kuna
who is a ODM member of parliament.
That's true.
So Ababu Smart coming in and Raphael Mbitawanjala being there, it's rumored that Ababu may be going for the member of parliament again.
Yes.
And if he's going for the member of parliament, kuna vita hapo.
Do you see the big picture?
I cannot see it because
let me see
I'm still thinking.
So let me
thinking. Let me give you my picture. My picture yes. Is that
yes.
If he's coming in then
yes.
Then he can go for the Senate.
Yes.
He can go for the Senate.
Yes.
Leave Raphael Wanjala to deal with the MP.
The MP thing.
Though they are arch rivals, Nima rivals, the real rivalry.
Yes.
But I think that Ababu needs to step up.
Yes, because it's a big name.
It's a big name.
Yes.
Needs to step up.
Yes.
Ashafanya 10 years in Bunyala.
Yes.
Because Bunyala cannot again give him another 5 or 10 because hatakuwa na group.
Hatakuwa na group, but he needs to be somewhere, maybe the Senate
and later he can go for the governorship. And I was thinking, yes. Kama angekuwa bold,
yes.
Like One Bold Brain.
Yes.
2022.
Yes.
Aende senator. Apate hiyo Senate
2027.
Apate hiyo Senate 2022. Hii 2027 Dr. Paulo Tuoma angekuwa one term. Sababu angeamua kuendea governor.
So the game is very simple here.
Yeah.
Wacha nikuletee. Sasa wacha nikuchoree hii vector.
Yes.
First.
Yes.
Who is the chair of Busia County ODM.
Dr. Paul Otuoma.
Dr. Paul Otuoma.
Yes.
The comeback of the super SG.
Super SG.
Ababu Namwamba.
Yes.
Inafanya na kuwa stronger.
Dr. Paul Otuoma.
Dr. Paul Otuoma.
True. Anataka lieutenants, yeah, anataka lieutenants.
Hii story imezungushwa hivi.
Yes.
Ruto ameongea pale. Otuoma ni rafiki ya William Samoei Ruto.
True.
Hii ni timu moja.
Yes.
Sasa tunasema if UDA cannot garner votes from Busia,
yeah,
how do we get it? Let us bring back our super SG. Then wewe ukue chairman. Ndio maana Otuoma alihakikisha amekuwa chairman ya Busia.
Alisumbuana na Odanga hapa.
Ndio maana Odanga cannot be trusted so much with William Samoei.
Don't give Matayos.
Yes.
Is he called Odanga?
Yeah, Odanga.
Yeah.
Yes. Sasa kitu nyiko hapa ni very simple.
Yes.
Otuoma, I'm coming back. Nataka niingie hapo kwa Senate.
Yes.
Na wewe ndio kusupport.
Okay.
Hapo kwa governor.
Ukitoka
mimi naingia governor.
Yeah.
Yes, hapo inaingia.
I think if I'm also looking at it like that.
Yes.
If Ababu Namwamba can come back.
Yes. Akanyage huko.
Akanyage aide Senate, akanyage because akienda Senate.
Yes.
With Okiya Mtata though huko juu watu wanasema ana represent watu Kenya mzima.
Yes.
But Okiya Mtata has not been doing a good job for Busia County.
Alikuwa compromise. Juzi alianza vizuri.
Yeah. No. You know he was dealing with national issues.
Yes.
Lakini kusukuma Otuoma, hatujaona kusukuma Otuoma.
Kuna wakati alianza kusukuma Otuoma kidogo.
Yeah.
Lakini sijui what happened. I don't want to talk about it so much. But okay. You alienda kanyamaza kabisa.
So my point is even ukiangalia if General can come back and vie with Okiya Mtata because Okiya Mtata has his own party.
Yes.
Na General akoko ODM.
Yes.
General akona high chances of winning the senators.
And even if he doesn't win, there will be job for him. If Ruto
no, General akikujia hiyo senator atapata hiyo senator.
Atapata hiyo senator.
Yeah. I'm sure he will get it. But if General wants the member of parliament, that's now where the problem starts.
The moto
inaanza because remember the current MP Raphael Wanjala ndio atoe Ababu Namwamba. Ababu Namwamba vile alitoka ODM akaenda Labour Party.
Yes.
Which was ilikuwa chama ya Uhuru na Ruto.
Yes.
The current MP alikimbia mbio akaingia ODM. Na ODM ikamsaidia akashinda Ababu Namwamba.
Yes.
In 2017.
Yes.
So Ababu Namwamba now coming back to ODM alafu tena ikue that wana fight here for the MP. That means Budalangi constituency is going to have a very
tough nomination.
Yes.
But one thing, who tells you that the guy will remain on ODM? If Ababu comes in ODM, already this guy will, one of them will be compromised. Sasa unajua hizi party zetu.
No, Raphael Wanjala is too loyal and paid stress. Mbona asonge na yeye tayari ndio.
Which means kama Ababu anarudi, kumaanisha automatically Ababu anaenda Senate.
Ndio nasema Raphael Wanjala cannot move for him.
Yes, so
yani mtu wa ego. So if Ababu says anaenda up, wanaweza ongea because walikuwa na handshake kadogo, lakini bado unajua wanapigananga juu. You know your enemy lazima umpige. Huwezi acha kumpiga. Friendly fight.
Yes.
So I'm just saying if he's going for the Senate, they can work together. Anaweza saidia Raphael atamwambia nivutie basi.
What about if Raphael anaenda for the Senate?
No, Raphael cannot. Senate, no. Raphael hata ongeni parliament akiongea tu drama.
Unachomea mbunge.
No, it's true. People Budalangi know. Raphael tunajua yeye hiyo sisi.
Amemove motion.
No, sikatai anaweza kuwa amemove motion moja lakini nasema Senate inataka watu kuongea.
That's true.
Yeah. So Ababu can do the talking.
And it's going to be the next akiwin election ya Senate Busia.
Going to the next governor.
Anaenda kuwa the next super senator from Luhya because we always know. But after Sakaja
ni mkale bro.
Sikiza. Yes. Sakaja alikuwa kwa mkale.
Sakaja tutagari Mluhya ni mkale. Bila sifa mnai you leave a comment. Sakaja like to us that he is Luhya. But Sakale. Akakatalia to Nairobi and then we realize later he's a Kale, he's not a Luhya.
Because Sakaja became a Kalenjin. He was a super senator and we loved him as a Mwami.
No, he's not a Mwami. We don't have one of Mwami. Mwami is Sifuna. Sifuna is the only Mwami we know now. Because huyu mwingine alikuwa fake. Alikuwa fake. So Sakaja atanganya kwa Nairobi hapo kidogo ateri Mluhya. The guy is a Kale.
Bwana Mwami original.
Yeah.
So kama sasa Bwana Mwami amekuwa boyo bwana.
Yeah.
Ndio kale mwe wanakuwa boyo.
Yeah. Wewe muone kuna cartel mzima ya Kale around here.
Bwana. Bwana Sakaja was smart bwana.
So I think
yes.
Linda Ground
Yes.
getting Ababu will be a good sign.
It also Ababu anakuja na kakitu.
Na ka energy.
Imagine having a rally in Kisumu and Ababu na Mambo is back.
Yeah.
Haki Mungu, it's
Even having a rally in Busia and Ababu is back.
Is within. It's going to boost them.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to boost them because now they've lost a lot.
Yeah.
Wacha walete kijana.
Yes.
Ababu wale ni kijana.
Do you think?
Yes.
Boss Jasolo.
Yes.
I'm just imagining.
Yes.
2022.
Yes.
Ababu could have been bold.
Yes.
And gone for the Senate.
Yes.
Are they 2027 now? Otuoma is in Linda Ground.
Yes.
And Ababu goes to Sifuna side.
Yes.
Man. That could have been a good contest.
Ingekuwa deadly.
Because
ingekuwa deadly.
The problem we have in Busia is one.
Yes.
Hawa watu wote wanataka compete against Otuoma. They are not doing it right.
Why do you say that?
Because they are not bold enough, and then they are only basing this thing on tribal cards of communities instead of just being that leader that everybody knows, everybody likes. You know, Ababu has that. Ababu people generally likes him.
Akona charisma,
likable,
likable sana. So so
you see that charisma of being likable.
He's going to have it not that hard when it comes to Senate.
When he goes for the Senate. But I'm telling you, boss, if he goes for the member of parliament of Budalangi,
ataona moto.
Itakuwa moto. I'm telling you.
Akuja Senate,
it will be easy.
It will be easy. So,
but member of parliament,
we are advising Ababu na Mambo Super SG, former Super SG of ODM.
Yes.
Come up, Rudy ODM, up your game, ingia hapo Senate, chukua kiti. Ukiwa mtata atasema tunaambia ukiwa mtata.
Ukiwa mtata? Ukiwa mtata si akona kazi tayari. Aretire. Hiyo government inakuja si tunajua ni opposition.
Yes.
Lazima tumtafutie kazi.
Yeye ni mtetezi wa kwangi la tunaweza mpea kitu.
Yeye ni mtetezi wa watu.
Human right hivi.
Yes.
Human rights director
kitu hapo.
Hawezi kosa kazi bwana.
Yeah.
So tukipea Ababu pale Senate, kwa mtata tutamtafutia job. Sisi kama Linda wananchi.
Boss just talk about yourself.
Mimi kama
Linda is always talking about himself. Yeye kama he's trying to give people here seats as if yeye ndiye. But viewers, I think it's a interesting development. Ababu na Mwamba after almost 10 years being seen talking with ODM grassroots leaders in Bunyala, wearing ODM colors.
We are seeing an indication of a boost of political support from Ababu na Mwamba.
It seems
Linda Ground.
Allegedly
Linda Ground.
Yes.
And if in case it can be Linda Wananchi,
it cannot.
That's a daydream.
Ababu likes power.
Ababu likes power.
So he
stays with power.
He plays near power.
He likes power, plays near power, stays with power.
Yes.
It is Linda Ground. ODM.
Yes. Of course.
Yes.
Yeah. So kwanza anataka kunywa hiyo ambassador kwanza paka next year ndio kuja sasa ground. Lakini umeona ameanza ku warm up ground. Unakuja mapema na warm up ground kidogo. Man.
The time ikifika
hivi member of parliament Rafael Wanjala.
Yes.
He's a worried man.
No, he's not worried. Amewahi toa Simba huko bwana.
Alimtoa?
Yeah, sasa na mambo si stress kwake.
Yes.
Lakini sineta okia mtata.
Yes.
Asilale sana. Macho moja ikuwe wazi usi.
My member of parliament.
Hii kitu inaweza.
People from Bujala tell me is Rafael Wanjala worried because this moves. Hii move inafanya him to think.
And remember na Mwamba ni Mwamba. It's not a joke bro.
Mwamba is not a joke.
Na pesa kama ni pesa shatengeneza.
Yes.
Alikuwa minister for sport. Amekuwa vitu mingi sana.
But
before he is
Rafael Wanjala atakwambia. Ndio alimtoa.
That's true.
Yes.
Ukitoa mtu round ya kwanza,
alimtoa round ya kwanza, round ya pili akakuja nyuma ya mtu tena akagonga huyo mtu.
Sasa Mwai kanyaga na Mambo na mtu wake.
Yes.
Sasa hii ya tatu itakuwa shida.
Si shida.
Na Mwamba
remember
tukutane Senate.
Remember also?
Yes.
There are new boys in town in Bunyala politics.
That's true.
That's true. So let's wait and see. Viewers, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Please leave a comment and tell us what do you think. The Super SG is coming back. General Ababu na Mwamba. Ababu smart.
We call it the comeback of General.
Man, that guy.
Super.
That guy.
SG.
Akona jeep.
Na Mwamba.
Yes.
Hey, it's not a joke. This is the boost.
Huyu ni kijana.
Mr. Pap.
Huyu ni kijana anajipenda.
Alikuwa anaona.
Huyu ni kijana anajipenda.
Na nilikwambia Mr. Pap yuko na akili.
Yes.
Amesema
hizi-
mambo imeumana.
Hizi game ya Power. Hii inamshinda.
Mambo imeumana.
Hii inamshinda.
Ngoja nishike simu.
Yes.
Na mambo uko wapi?
Yes.
Kuja saidia simu.
Toka Uganda.
Sifuna anaenda.
Toka Uganda.
Ndugu.
Viewers.
Kuja uingia
There we
hapa.
have it.
It's not easy, bro.
There we have it. What's the solo maybe a final word?
What I can say is that the comeback of Honorable Babu Namwamba is very critical for Linda Ground, and we let them use that opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I can say.
See you.
Thank you.